Hey guys, it's Loner Lewis and I am back with another video. I'm about to go ahead and get started. My boyfriend will be getting off here in a little bit and he's gonna want to go to the gym. I ain't trying to go, so I'm gonna do my makeup, and of course I'm gonna say, how can I go to the gym if my face is beat? Like, those don't go together. So let's get started.
This shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang.
Guys, comment below which brow gives you the most trouble, cause this one be doing its own thing sometimes, you know, and I ain't feeling that. And I have not had my eyebrows like waxed or threaded from like a shop in so long. And we're just gonna clean those up and use it to prime our lids as well. And this one isn't my shade. It's like a shade, a half a shade to a shade lighter than my actual foundation shade, because my foundation shade in the Fenty is actually 350, and I may put that one on in the video too. I don't know. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade in the LA Girl Pro Concealer, because I want a lighter base for my eyeshadow.
Oh. And we're just gonna cover the lids.
If you guys just heard me yell no, it is because Chinks, my cat, is on the table. So then we are gonna set that concealer with the Air Spun. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I just blended that concealer out with to set that. Just like that. First, we're gonna take Bori out of the Zuri palette and put that in our crease. I'm sorry, out of the Juvia's Place palette and put that in our crease. And we're just gonna get that all in our crease. Let's blend out those edges with this very light orangey color here. It kind of looked like something else on camera, but I think it looks orangey, so we're gonna go with that. And we're just gonna take that and we're gonna go just right there, a little bit above where the pink ends, but we're also blending in the edges. So now, I told you we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, I think. Well, actually, no, I lied. We're going to deepen it up just a bit. So we're gonna go into this pretty plum looking shade right here. And we're going to put that in our outer corner and in the crease also. Just like that. And again, just deepen it up as much as you would like. And we want that directly, just like that. And now we're going to cut our crease. We're gonna use this brush here. And we're gonna use the LA Girls Pro Concealer. This color is in light ivory because I was going for a light shade, and I think this was the lightest one that they had at my store or in stock at that time. And Why is my arm up? I don't know. But yeah, so we're doing it just like that. I'm not using a lot because y'all don't want to, you know how long concealer be taking to dry? Like, I don't got time for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set this really fast. Just like that. Hey, get down. See, this is what I deal with, y'all. We're gonna try Throne out of the Royal Affairs palette, and it's right here. It's like a nice shimmery shade. We're gonna put that on there. And guys, I'm like really patting this color in. See, it looks better in my inner corner where the concealer wasn't, but it's all good because again, we are putting glitter on there. So we're gonna go in this glitter and this glue by NYX. And I'm just gonna put that on my hand here because I put everything on my hand. And then we're gonna go in with our glue. I'm gonna just put it on top of here. And that is what we have so far. I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, hey guys, so I literally had to do my foundation and concealer and everything over because I didn't like the way it turned out and I was so upset. This is like my third time trying and I'm okay with how it turned out here. We're gonna go ahead and spray our face. Just like that. And we're going to do some highlighting. So we're going to go ahead and add our highlighter now.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? Yeah.
That shit's not pink. You see them flakes? Do you see them flakes in there? That shit is lying.